in order to get approval for more projects, in order to get funds, it's easier for us to have proof and say, okay, we're proposing to go with this, and here are your savings. We'll run more efficient.
I'm Rob Grandstaff. I work for Walla Walla County. I'm the facilities director there.
My name is Jose Pesqueira, and I also work with Walla Walla County. I'm the assistant director of facilities.
We looked at OpenBlue to be compliant. In the state of Washington, they passed a Clean Building Act in 2019. We have requirements to report our energy performance. So what OpenBlue does for us is it does help report to Energy Star, which is reporting to the state for us. One of our buildings is in 1896, and then we go up to 2008.
We have courthouse, district court, public health building, sheriff's office, prosecutor's attorney's office.
Like schools, things are deferred maintenance, and data is very important for us to move ahead.
Is the equipment running at its performance peak? Which buildings are the ones that use the most electricity or gas, water? It's easier to have it in front of you because all the data, everything is available right there.
It would be a lot of time spent on spreadsheets, and this is a more efficient way because once it's set up, we're able to let that just occur in the background. It is helping us reduce costs as we gather that information.
We want to have actually OpenBlue fully set up so that when these projects come into play, then we have like, hey, here, this is how it was, this is how it is now. We know we're going to become more energy efficient.